Hello, welcome once again. My name is Albert Dunu, a STEM educator at Apex STEM Lab. Welcome once again to the fourth day of STEMpedia's Empowering Educators Bootcamp, an international bootcamp where we're taught AI, Python programming, and robotics. In this lesson, we learned how to build a very simple project using Chatgpt. We're introduced to Chatgpt, the concept of how Chatgpt works, and we built a very simple project, an AI assistant project. In this project, we defined a sprite, which is Toby, which has been used in our project. Then we import the Chatgpt extension using this GPT equals Chatgpt. Then in this project, we are also going to use a text-to-speech extension. So we import the text-to-speech extension as well. Then we now define a prompt where we create an input. And the input is going to ask, what would you like me to answer? So that is what have been created here with Toby saying, a sprite Toby saying, what would you like me to answer? Then we now display the answer by saying, ask on Chatgpt. So we are telling the code to ask Chatgpt, and what we are building is an AI assistant, and it is a prompt we'll be giving Chatgpt to respond to. Now we define the answer, and we want the answer to be displayed as Chatgpt results. Now after the answer is being displayed, we want the sprite, which is Toby, to say the answer. At the same time, it should say the answer. And this is why we need our text-to-speech extension being imported. So let's see how this code works. So I run the code here. Okay. So my code is still running. Okay. So for instance, I'm from Ghana, so I want to ask Chatgpt where Ghana is located. Where is Ghana located? So that's a very simple question like that. And let's see what Chatgpt will say.
Ghana is located on the west coast of Africa. It is bordered by Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, to the west, Burkina Faso to the north.
So you can see
Togo to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the south.
Okay, very good. So you can see this very interesting project with Chatgpt. So in this project, these are the modules or the libraries we used. We used the Chatgpt extension or library. We imported a sprite as well. Then we also used the text-to-speech module or the text-to-speech library. And this is a very simple AI assistant project that you could build in Pictoblox. Thanks to STEMpedia for this bootcamp. We are learning a lot, and bye everyone.